Evening, folks. We're live at 11:40. I'm going to copy the list here, 25 spots on the way up. We're running the second mini for Gary's Jordan jersey. There it is. I got 25 spots here. Top 4 win spots in the main. Last place also wins a spot there, so we got 5 winners. I'm going to paste in here 25 entries. Going to roll the dice. You got to get at least a 5. We got a 3, so we're rolling again. Here we go. We got a tenner. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Jason, round 1. Chandler, 2. Kyle, 3. Kevin, 4. Mitch takes round 5. Kyle again on top in round 6 with number 3. And round 7 this time with number 6. Ben, round 8. Mitch in the top spot for our next to last round, round 9. Which brings us to the last round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winners are Kyle, Zach, Steven, and Kevin. Let's tag it all the way to the bottom. Jay also wins a spot there, it looks like. Here's our verification code. And official results, TOVDIQ are our results. There we have them, guys. Congratulations to the winners. I'm done at 11:41. There you go. Again, here's the winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.